So you guys want to know how to download any video from either computer or your iPhone on Instagram. And it's actually extremely easy. All you're going to want to do is open the Instagram app, navigate to the Reels portion of your app, and then find a reel that you want to download. So let's just download this video right here. And then you're going to click the little airplane in the bottom right corner. And when that will open up a little page, and you're going to want to navigate on the bottom by scrolling over to the right to the little download thing, and then you're going to click download and it'll start downloading. Now, something to know is none of these reels that you download can be used for commercial use. They're only personal, so you can watch them yourself, have them downloaded offline, whatever you want to use them for personal use. You just can't post them or use them to sell your own content. Now, to see that we've just downloaded this, you're going to want to swipe out of the app, and you're going to want to go over to Photos, open up Photos, and you should see the reel right here in your Photos app. If you're on Android or iPhone, just navigate to whichever one you have. Now, if you guys want to download reels from your computer, which is a little bit more difficult, but it still can easily be done. Say you found the reel that you want to download, like I have right here, this Ashton Hall in iShowSpeed Racing. You're going to want to go to a website called fastvideosave.net, and I'll link it down in the description. You're going to go to Instagram, and you're going to click the little 3 dots in the corner, and you're going to click copy link, and then you're going to go back over to Instagram Reels Downloader, X out whatever ads may be in the way, and go ahead and paste that in there and click download. Now this is going to start loading. It's going to take a few seconds, but then it should pop up whenever it's finished. Now, as you can see right here, it just finished loading. You're going to see this little bar with your video. Don't click this or any of the other things on here. Just click the little video and the little bars that are underneath. So right here, we're going to hit download video, and it should go right to your thing, and it's completely safe. You open this up, and boom, you have the reel right here that you just downloaded. If you found this video helpful, then please drop a like. And if you really loved it, then please make sure to subscribe.